Are you new to gardening and want to start with easy-to-care for succulents? Do you want to know some beginner-friendly options that are generally more forgiving and require less maintenance for succulent plants? Well, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Four-Lit Sky Arts and Architecture, and get ready to cultivate your creativity, indulge in nature's wonder, and explore the captivating synergy between gardening, arts, and architecture. Subscribe now and let your imagination bloom in this vibrant community. If you're new to gardening and want to start with easy-to-care for succulents, here are 10 beginner-friendly options that are generally more forgiving and require less maintenance. Number 1. Echeveria. These rosette-shaped succulents come in various colors and sizes. They thrive in bright light and need well-draining soil. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Number 2. Sedum or Stonecrop. Sedums are versatile and have many varieties. They can tolerate different light conditions and have low water requirements. Number 3. Haworthia. Haworthias have interesting geometric patterns on their leaves. They prefer bright, indirect light and should be watered when the top inch of soil is dry. Number 4. Sansevieria or snake plant. These succulents are known for their air-purifying qualities. They can tolerate low light and infrequent watering, making them perfect for beginners. Number 5. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is not only attractive but also has medicinal properties. Place it in bright, indirect light and water when the top inch of soil is dry. Number 6. Semper Vivam or hens and chicks. This succulent produce chicks around the base of the hen plant. They are drought tolerant and can handle different light conditions. Number 7. Crassula Obara or jade plant. Jade plants are hardy and can thrive in various light levels. Water when the top inch of soil is dry and allow excess water to drain. Number 8. Gasteria. Gasterias have unique spotted patterns on their leaves. They prefer indirect light and should be watered when the soil is dry. Number 9. Kalanchoi. Kalanchois are available in range of colors and flower shapes. They prefer bright light and should be watered moderately. And the last but not the least, aptinia. Aptinia is what we call baby sunrose. This trailing succulent is great for hanging baskets or ground cover. It is drought tolerant and can handle full sun to light shade. Remember, while these succulents are considered easy to care for, providing them with the right conditions is still important. Ensure they have well-draining soil, avoid overwatering, and gradually introduce them to sunlight if kept indoors. As you gain experience and confidence, you can explore a wider variety of succulent species and continue to expand your gardening skills. Thank you for joining us today and stay tuned for more educational content on gardening, arts, and architecture. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the following videos. Happy gardening!